Next one is very big, right? This is a laundry fabric basket. Let's check clearly about this one. Yes, also use the latest design, top beige color, and the bottom with decorative by the black leaves. And also we use the stainless handle to make it more for easy movement. This is the laundry basket. And in the following times, I'd like to measure the size for your easier reference. Top part 40, width 27. About the height is 50 centimeters. For this kind of laundry basket, you can see the roomy space will be very easy for you to put some clothes dirty before the laundering day. You can put it into any rooms, especially in the bathroom,